Pom-poms. Fuzzy pom-poms. For a while now, I've had an idea to make crafts with pom-poms. I've seen so many pom-pom crafts go by, and they look so fun, so I thought I would just have to try. Also, before this, I didn't even really know how to make a pom-pom, so I've done a little practice, and I'm going to show you one with a fork. Let's make pom-poms. For the yarn pom-poms, you need to use a fork. Your regular old kitchen fork will do, the sharpest scissors you can find, and your yarn. Cut a small piece of yarn and thread it over the fork, just like this. You'll need to hold it there while you wrap your yarn around as many times as possible. 60 times will do. Start wrapping your yarn and wrap it around the fork. Keep wrapping until you are satisfied with how thick your pom-pom is going to be. Remember, the more yarn you use, the thicker your pom-pom will be. Keep wrapping till you have something like this. I used 60 times for this pom-pom, but obviously the thicker you make the pom-pom, the more times you will need to wrap it. Just like this. Now you'll need to tie off the pom-pom. So thread over your yarn and tie a regular knot. Tie it tightly, but not too tight. Once you have this, you can cut open the ends. Once you have something like this, this is when you cut open the ends. Be sure not to cut the center, only the ends. And keep cutting until all of it is open. This is why you need a sharp scissors. It will make your job a lot easier. Snip off the longer ends and keep cutting all the way around. This part gets messy, so don't worry about it. Just keep trimming. Now you have a scraggly looking thing like this. And this is where you want to trim your pieces shorter to make it puff. So trim it all the way around, trim it shorter, and it will start to puff out like a pom-pom. And at this stage you have something that looks similar to this. So keep cutting. The shorter you cut the pieces, it will also make the pom-pom a bit fluffier. So keep going until you are satisfied with how your pom-pom looks. Once you've got all the ends cut open and you've trimmed your pom-pom nicely, you'll have something that looks like this. Hope this worked out for you, and I hope you found this easy. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.